Hi, Charles from Southern Indiana. Well, I finally got this project done, and the project was making a parking spot for the transit, and then it ended up including a small retaining wall enclosure that I made a deck on. Let me tell you all about it. Well, the van is kind of empty right now. We're getting ready for a camping trip in about a week to Kentucky. And so this will be the short version about this little project, and it's probably all you'll probably want to watch. It was a fun project. I really took my time, and then we hit a streak of really hot weather where I couldn't work out here all day long, early in the morning and later in the afternoon. But I got it all done, and the only thing that is left to be done, and I'm still planning it, is what kind of carport I'm going to put over this. It was going to be a metal carport. Then I decided I wanted to make one out of wood, and first I want to do a gable one, but now I think it's going to be more of a, not a lean-to, but an awning, something like this. And I'm just working out the details right now. So here we go with the short version of the project as it is finished now. Well, whether you watch the short version or a long version, here comes the end. And I will tell you that once I decide on how I'm going to build a structure, I'll definitely do a short and long version of that build. And I'm excited about that. That's going to be a fun thing to do. And thanks for watching.